In a true survival situation, the loudest sound you make could be your last. Real security and sustenance come from moving and operating in silence. Today, we're not talking about loud gear or complicated tech. We're exploring the art of the quiet harvest. These are the top 7 silent hunting and foraging gadgets for 2026. Tools designed to help you find, catch, and process food without announcing your presence to the entire forest. Let's begin the countdown. Number 7. Gerber Armbar Drive Multi-Tool. After the hunt, the real work begins, and it needs to be just as quiet. This multi-tool gives you a sharp knife, a sturdy saw, and clever tools to process your game, build a shelter, and handle camp tasks without the noisy struggle of a clumsy fixed blade. A proper hunt doesn't end with the catch. You need to process game, build a low-visibility shelter, or clear a quiet vantage point. The Gerber Armbar Drive solves this. Its locking 2.75-inch knife is perfect for skinning and cleaning. The real star is the hardened steel saw, which silently cuts through branches for shelter frames or firewood without the loud chopping that echoes through the woods. The integrated screwdriver and pry tool help with silent gear repairs. It's the indispensable post-hunt toolkit that ensures your entire operation, from stock to shelter, maintains the discipline of silence. Number 6. Thermal Monocular. This gadget doesn't just let you see in the dark, it lets you see heat. Spot bedded game, nesting birds, or potential threats through total darkness, fog, or light brush, all in absolute silence. When the sun sets, your hunt doesn't have to end. The ADN OTS-4T Thermal Monocular detects the infrared radiation, body heat, emitted by all living creatures, displaying them as bright white or yellow shapes against a cool background. This allows for silent reconnaissance of game trails before dawn, locating roosting birds in trees, or securing your camp perimeter at night without using any light. It provides a technological advantage that feels like a superpower, turning the most challenging hunting hours into your time of greatest opportunity and safety. Number 5. KastKing Blackhawk 2 Telescopic Fishing Rod Combo. A traditional fishing rod is a billboard that says "Fisherman here." This system is the opposite. A high-performance angling rig that collapses into a package smaller than a water bottle, enabling you to infiltrate and fish the most secluded, untouched waters without a trace. For harvesting protein from aquatic environments, silence is about more than just being quiet. It's about being unseen until the last possible moment. The KastKing Blackhawk 2 is engineered for this kind of stealth. Its advanced telescopic design isn't a compromise. It's a strategic feature. The entire rod retracts down to a mere 16 inches, allowing it to be concealed effortlessly in a backpack or strapped discreetly to the side. This means you can hike past crowded shores or through thick brush to reach isolated beaver ponds, hidden river bends, or alpine lakes that never see pressure. Once on location, it extends in seconds into a sensitive, powerful 7-foot rod paired with a smooth, silent spinning reel. This allows for delicate presentations with flies or small lures that won't spook fish in clear, shallow water. You become a fleeting shadow on the bank, making a few perfect casts, then moving on or vanishing back into the woods, leaving the area as silent and undisturbed as when you arrived. Number 4. Cobra Systems Self-Cocking Pistol Crossbow. This tool occupies the crucial middle ground between the pebble and the full-sized bow. It stores significant energy with a simple pull of its string, lies in wait silently at full tension, and delivers a focused bolt with a sharp, muted thwip that carries only a few yards. Not every silent hunting opportunity calls for a massive recurve bow, and a slingshot may lack the required power. The Cobra System Crossbow elegantly fills this tactical niche. Its genius is in its self-cocking mechanism. A robust rack and pinion system lets you effortlessly draw and lock the 80-pound draw weight, meaning the weapon is always ready without fatiguing your muscles. You can carry it safely prepared, allowing for a rapid, one-handed shot at sudden target like a rabbit bolting from cover or a bird on a low branch. The release of energy is focused and fast, producing a sound that is sharp but not loud, lacking the resonant twang of a long bowstring. Its compact, pistol-style form factor makes it highly maneuverable in thickets, from a blind, or even from a kneeling position. It delivers enough kinetic force for ethical takedowns of small to medium game at short to medium ranges, making it an incredibly versatile and convenient tool for the silent hunter who values readiness and compact power. Number 3. SEATO Summit Collapsible Travel Speargun. This speargun doesn't just hunt fish, it hunts opportunity. It collapses down to hide in your pack, ready to transform any remote shoreline or hidden pond from a scenic view into a fully stocked, silent supermarket. This tool turns you into the predator. It's about stealth, breath control, and a perfect shot. The payoff? Fresh protein harvested in total silence, with efficiency that no fishing rod can match. Collapses for easy travel, extends for serious hunting. It's your key to unlocking the silent, abundant protein source that flows in every river, lake, and coastline. Number 2. SimpleShot Scout LT Slingshot Kit. This is the Slingshot evolved. Gone is the fork stick. In its place is a precision-engineered platform that turns your grasp into a stable firing base, capable of launching found ammunition with startling accuracy and a sound no louder than a snapped twig. The SimpleShot Scout LT embodies the principle of sustainable, silent predation. Its design focuses on consistency and ergonomics. The minimalist, textured fork provides a solid, repeatable anchor point for the bands, while the included high-quality latex tubes offer a smooth, powerful draw and a fast, stable release. Number 1. Jandao 55 Takedown Recurve Bow Kit. This is where art meets purpose. The Takedown Recurve Bow represents the absolute zenith of human-honed, silent hunting technology, a tool that demands and rewards skill, connects you to an ancient tradition, and delivers arrows with a clean, hushed release that is the definition of focused efficiency. Our number 1 pick is the Jandao Takedown Recurve, the tool that has defined silent, dignified hunting across cultures and millennia. Its beauty is in its elegant simplicity and modern refinement. The takedown feature is a game-changer for the mobile forager, allowing the bow to be broken down into a compact riser and 2 limbs for easy, discreet transport in a pack. Assembled, it becomes a serious hunting instrument,